Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to an RDS database using an EC2 instance as a bridge or as a bastion. So the first step, I'm going to my EC2 instance and I'm going to launch another instance, EC2 instance. Here I'm going to type a name, and in this part I'm going to choose Amazon Linux and free tier. In the instance type, I'm going to choose as well free tier. I'm going to create a new key pair. This is very important to connect to my AWS instance, EC2 instance. So I'm going to create a new. And in this section, network settings, I'm going to create a new security group. And it's very important, allow SSH traffic from anywhere, but it's in production environment, it's a good idea put here an IP. I think it's okay, everything is okay, and launch stance. And once the launch process is complete, I can connect to this instance. As you can see, we have an IP address here, and I'm going to open my terminal to connect with this instance. To check the username, I can check here my instance and then connect, and here is my username. To connect to our instance EC2 through a terminal, we can check here and then connect, and we have this command. The only thing that we need to do is run this command. And that's it. We have connect to our instance EC2. Now I'm going to create an RDS database. So click here and create database. I'm going to choose PostgreSQL and free tier. The password is going to be the same for this example. Is okay. Okay, here I can set up the EC2, but I will do it later. Public access, no. Okay. Create database. Now I will configure pgAdmin in a Docker image. So I can click here, and here is the documentation. And let me find a good example, a basic example, this. And I'm going to open the terminal, exit here. But I'm going to use other port, 8082, and that's it. In Docker Desktop, as you can see, we already have the container with pgAdmin and on the port 8082. So I can open this, and this is the interface for pgAdmin. And I will use this email and this password. Once the install process is complete, I can connect to my database. This is the endpoint that I will use to my connection. So in pgAdmin, and in connection, I put here my endpoint, the username, and the password is going to be the same. Postgres and Postgres. I'm going to try to connect to my database. And as you can see, I have this error. So I need to configure my tunnel in this option. And I have my IP address here. And username is EC2 user. And I'm going to choose this option in order to upload my key pair file and save. You can see I have this error is because I need to do some configuration in RDS database. And in this option, set up EC2 connection. And I choose this instance. Continue and set up. Now in pgAdmin, I'm going to create another server, register server. Here is my endpoint, my database endpoint. The user is Postgres and password the same. Now I'm going to set up my tunnel. Here is my IP from my EC2. Let me check. Copy here. And I will use the key pair file. You can upload here in this option. Select. And that's it. And finally, we have the connection to our RDS database. And that's it. Thank you.